A lawn like that? That's just embarrassing. No, you can't just cut your lawn into submission. Real lawn care goes roots deep. Wrong. Bad. Insulting. People, command your lawn. Stop letting it command you. Introducing, from Turf Titan, Lawn Commander. It's that simple. Proven on millions of acres before it reaches your lawn, Lawn Commander is everything your lawn will need from now through the rest of the year. With no pesticides, it's safe for your family, your pets, and the rest of our planet alike. Lawn Commander is an all-in-one fertilizer using innovative tri-action nitrogen technology, designed and formulated to keep your soil healthy, develop robust root systems, and produce the greenest lawn in your neighborhood. Our formula of micronutrients uses the basic elements of nature, sulfur, iron, zinc, and more to create the strongest root system to fight against any temperature or drought. It doesn't matter what type of grass you have. It doesn't matter if your climate is cold or warm. It doesn't matter if your lawn is new or established. Lawn Commander is the simple answer and is simple to use. Be the talk of the neighborhood. Let your lawn be greener than your neighbor's. Stop letting your lawn command you. Turf Titan, may the best lawn win.